Hey Chris, what can I help you with today?
So today I'm working on some house. I got some vinyl windows about 15 years ago. Some painters got some paint on it, dried on paint, got some tan and bleed, some dirt on them. I need to clean them up and get all that stuff off, make them look new again. Then we're gonna mask and spray the house. So I need to get something that's gonna clean off old dry paint. If you got something.
Absolutely.
Cool.
I got two options for you today that are pretty successful from the painters that have used it. One is a spray and the other is the Crocodile Cloths.
Yeah, you know what? I've actually used these Crocodile Cloths before. I actually like them a lot, so I'm all out of them, and I'll take another thing of these.
Right on.
I think they'll work pretty good.
I think so. You want it on the account?
Yeah, just throw on my account. That's all I need today.
All right, you're good to go.
Hopefully I'll clean these windows off, man. Have a great day, Gabe.
You too.
So I'm working on these windows right here, and we've got a lot of paint on the vinyl windows from previous paint jobs. We got red paint, brown paint. We also have got, these are kind of like the manufacturing stickers and adhesive left over on there. So I'm gonna be using crocodile wipes and my Linbide scraper to get this stuff off right here. So I'm gonna be scraping off this paint, which comes off nice and easy with a Linbide scraper. There's a lot of things these things are useful for. If you take their super sharp carbide tip blades, and I'm just scraping off this paint right along the edge, then the adhesive covers a lot more area. So I'm not gonna wanna try to scrape that off. I'm just gonna, and it's not on the edge, so I'm gonna take a crocodile wipe and I'll just use that to get the adhesive off. So now I'm going to be taking a crocodile cloth, wipe this off clean. We want to get these windows nice and clean for the customer. See, it's taking that adhesive off. It'll make this vinyl look like brand new when it's done. Oh, so I can scrape the paint, wipe it. I'm just gonna wipe this down and I'll let that dry before I do my masking. The paint comes off a lot faster with the Linbide scraper. Again, we got more adhesive on the corner right here. So I'll get my paint off, big globs of paint on here first. Scrape this off. It's good to use a nice sharp blade when doing this, so don't use an old Linbide blade that's all nicked and dinged up. Use a new one, so it gives you a nice clean scrape. You can see that adhesive on here. This is just going to make the job look a lot cleaner, the paint job a lot cleaner. In the end, these crocodile cloths, they stay wet quite a while. They're super big. You could turn it over, use different areas. One side a little bit rougher than the other side. You can see how this is gonna look a lot nicer there. That adhesive's been on there for over 20 years. You can see how that cloth, crocodile cloth, took it right off. Simple and easy. These windows are gonna look way better by just spending 5 minutes on a window cleaning this off for the customer. It's going to try to increase the value of this house significantly. And these little steps help do that. We want this house to be worth $50,000 more when we're done painting it. Just like that. Nice thing about this cloth is I can just keep using it from window to window because it stays so wet. can see how large these things are too, so I can keep way bigger than your standard wipe. These things are cloths, but a lot of people refer to these type of things as wipes. Even with being on there for so many years, you can see it still comes off, and you'll see we got some like tannin bleed coming down right here. See, just wipes that tannin bleed right off. Simple and easy. See how much paint is on here. So I'm still working on this window. I've worked on 2 windows now. Just to give you an idea, I'm still using the same cloth. It's still wet. It hasn't torn all apart. Super tough cloth. A lot of the wipes or cloths I've used in the past, they just dry out too fast. They don't have enough liquid, or what we call juice. Crocodile cloth has just the right amount of juice. Wipe that off. Clean that. This window's almost done. Just like that. Final one. So the combination of my Linbide scraper and crocodile cloths just made these windows look a lot better.
Hey Chris, what time is it?
I think it's around 12:30, Luke.
12:30. I have a date with my wife.
Oh shoot, Luke. You're all hot and nasty looking.
Do you have a solution?
I do. Crocodile cloths.
Ooh, thanks, man.
Better get yourself cleaned up and get going, Luke.
Are these safe for your skin?
Those things are super safe for your skin, and they are safe for your tan.
Woo! Awesome.
Yeah, get yourself all cleaned up
Well,
and
they
get
smell
going,
good
man.
too.
Smell nice. They're good for your skin.
Need a wipe?
Hey,
Here's the same one.
man, freshen myself up too, Luke. Have a fun on your date.
Thanks, boss.
Crocodile cloths.